Hello everyone, welcome to Institute Mamta Chemistry Genius. So in this video we are going to talk about the factors affecting your Cannizzaro reactions. Okay, so why is it important to understand the factors affecting Cannizzaro reaction? Because this was going to help you solve examples. This is going to help you understand what product you are going to get whenever there is a tricky questions or for entrance examination. So these factors, if you know it properly, you will be able to understand the product, and it's going to help you in your entrance examination. So it's very much important. So the first factor is your Cannizzaro reaction. What happens is that there is no alpha hydrogen. That means there is the base protonated reaction is not there, whereas the base is there. We are treating with this concentrated base. Okay, so the first is the nucleophilic attack on the electron deficient carbon atom. There is an electron deficient carbon atom. So this totally I have discussed what is Kinsey reaction and what is the nucleophilic attack on other video. Please go and check the mechanism of it so that you can understand this video, that is your factors affecting Kinsey reaction. So the reaction between a nucleophilic atom on the carbonyl atom, this reaction depends on the nucleophilic attack. So the first step, see here again we am showing here, see here, this is a benzaldehyde. We have taken 2 molecules of benzaldehyde will take. So and there is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide means that OH minus is going to take plus, and it will go for nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl atom. So it is going for nucleophilic attack. So the first step is that there is a nucleophilic attack. So what happens is that if the factors, that means if there is something which decreases the electron, you can say it will reduce the electron deficiency. Suppose any groups which is added to the benzaldehyde or to the ring, which factors which reduces the positive charge on the carbon atom. Positive, why it is positive charge? Because electrons has been taken by oxygen has pulled the electrons because of its electron withdrawing nature, because it is minus, so it has already pulled the electron, so it is electron deficient. So factors which reduces the positive charge, that means electron deficiency, which reduces the electron deficiency on the carbon atom, those molecules, it is going to retard the reaction. That means it will not help for the Cannizzaro reaction to happen. So see here that this molecule, see, and there is OH group, okay, so, and there is a benzaldehyde, okay, there is OH group present on this benzaldehyde. So OH, what will it do? This there is a lone pair of electrons on the oxygen, it will come into the ring and it will push the electron towards the ring, and the carbon becomes now electron rich other than being electron deficient. So see here again, see, this is amino group again, due to resonance, what will happen, this electrons of the nitrogen will come into the ring and it will reduce the electron deficiency. That means now carbon is getting oxygen, getting electrons, so it is no more electron deficient for nucleophilic attack. Okay, so these are those factors. So if you see electron giving in nature, any groups or any molecules which is attached to this benzaldehyde molecule which is electron giving, it is going to reduce the rate of your nucleophilic attack, and hence it will retard the Cannizzaro reaction. See here, there is chlorine also. Chlorine is again electron, it has chlorine atom also has electron rich in it. So in ortho position, if there is chlorine atom also, it is going to retard the Cannizzaro reaction. Why? Because carbon is getting electron rich. So this is way which I said you, there is a resonance taking place. If you see the resonance structures, it is like this O minus is coming into the ring and it is flowing, the electrons is flowing, and the carbon, which is electron deficient and which has to be the requirement for this reaction, is now electron rich. So these kind of groups is going to retard the rate of the reaction. Okay, like again there is a pH 3 CCHO, so there is electron giving, whatever electron giving, so there is a chlorine atom on the 3, so these are electron giving in nature. So see here, this nitrogen is again going to give the electrons. In this way the resonance will take place, the electron will move into the ring. So now say the electron is this one has a partial double bond character, the carbon has partial double bond character, and hence what happens, the electron deficiency is not there, so nucleophilic attack is not possible. So these are not going to give you Cannizzaro product. So this is some of these examples I have written. There are many examples. So basically whichever is electron giving groups, whatever which has excess of electron and it is attached to the benzaldehyde molecule, this is going to retard the rate of reaction. So electron, you can say electron donating groups, whichever donating groups is there, this is not going to give your good Cannizzaro product. Why? There is a partial double bond character and there is deficient. Now the deficiency of carbon is no more there. Now the carbon is actually becoming electron rich. So these, even in graduation, there sometimes these question comes like you have to explain why it happens. So the way I am saying, if you would just write it simply as it is, then also you're going to get full marks. So the electron donating groups will increase the electron density on the carbonyl atom, okay, and hence retard the reaction, because now the carbon becomes electron rich, and because of which now this becomes your it will does not undergo for there will be no nucleophilic attack. So this way, if you write there, this the attack of OH minus on the carbonyl carbon or electron deficient carbon becomes extremely difficult. The first step is not getting you can say the first step is not going to take place, then how will the Cannizzaro reaction go about? Okay, so there will be the second step. Also we will discuss what will happen if there is an electron withdrawing group in this case. So suppose if you have electron withdrawing group, that means something which draws electron from the reaction medium, that one is going to help you for the Cannizzaro reaction, because it will increase the electron deficiency. If electron deficiency increases, then OH minus attack will be very much faster. That means OH minus can easily attack. So if there is electron withdrawing groups, then it helps for your Cannizzaro reaction. So remember these factors, it's very much important. And if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to watch other videos from the channel, do watch it. And if you want me to discuss on some important topics or some specific topics, do write it in the comments, so that I can make videos for you and help you in your studies. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.